JK Auto Reviews brings you the future of luxury travel, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Imagine a Lexus not as a car but as a rolling 5-star hotel, a futuristic palace on wheels. Welcome to the 2026 Lexus Motorhome, a machine that doesn't just take you places but transforms every mile into an experience. This is not an RV, this is a lifestyle statement. An engineering masterpiece that blends Lexus luxury, cutting-edge technology, and futuristic design into something so bold that it redefines travel forever. Picture this beast pulling up on the streets, its massive body gleaming in black and gold, its aerodynamic front screaming Lexus DNA, and its upper deck standing tall like a glass-walled luxury apartment cruising through the city. This is the kind of vehicle that turns every head, drops every jaw, and makes people grab their phones just to capture the moment. But the real magic happens when you step inside. The living area greets you like a luxury penthouse. Panoramic glass windows flood the room with light, ambient LED strips glow like starlight, plush leather recliners invite you to sink in, and a massive smart TV stands ready to transform movie nights on the road into IMAX experiences. The kitchen isn't just a kitchen, it's a futuristic chef's studio with marble counters, high-tech appliances, and touch panels that make cooking feel like operating a spaceship. Upstairs, the bedroom is a sweet fit for royalty, a king-sized bed with gold-accented leather, glass wardrobes, smart controls by the bedside, and views that make you forget you're even on the road. And then the bathroom, complete with rainfall shower and luxury finishes, makes every morning routine feel like stepping into a spa. This is comfort at a level RVs have never dreamed of. But it's not just about comfort, it's about driving too, because the driver's cabin is pure Lexus magic. Step behind the futuristic steering wheel and you're in a cockpit designed for the future. Holographic HUD displays, AI-powered driving assistance, and a panoramic windshield that makes the road feel like a cinematic journey. The captain's chair hugs you with leather luxury, while advanced navigation and safety systems make sure your adventure is smooth, safe, and unforgettable. Lexus didn't just build a motorhome, they built the ultimate freedom machine. Whether you're parked on a beach, overlooking mountains, or cruising through the city, this machine makes every destination feel like a luxury resort. It's built for those who refuse to compromise, for dreamers, adventurers, and visionaries who want the road to feel like home but better than home. The 2026 Lexus Motorhome is a revolution, a game changer, and a glimpse into the future of travel. And the question is, would you live in one? Would you trade the ordinary for the extraordinary? Because one look at this monster of luxury and you'll know there's no going back. This isn't just Lexus, this is Lexus on another level. Welcome to the future of motorhomes. Welcome to the 2026 Lexus Motorhome, JK Auto Reviews.